All right, y'all, what's going on? It's your man's Aaron Tolan. We are back once again. Before we get started, click like, click subscribe. Y'all know what it is. Y'all know what to do, man. Listen, today, I was trying to do another triple unboxing, but considering that one of my orders got mixed up with sizing, another order hasn't even been put in, and these just came today, man. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just do this for content purposes. Nothing really exciting, but it's exciting to me because I wanted them. So anyway, without further ado, we're gonna get right into it. Trusty Bat Shuriken on deck. I've been waiting on these for a minute, or at least trying to get them for a minute. And you're gonna see why technically I really didn't need them, but I wanted to see what it's all about with these. This thing is locked in, seriously. All right. Paperwork, shout out to Foot Locker for these right here. And by the time you see the box, you'll already know. I feel like I say that on every video, but it's pretty true, it's obvious. So y'all recognize the box, y'all see what it is. Of course, personal size 8.5. Yeah, now again, this is a pair that I necessarily did not need, but I wanted them. So, here we go. Standard black paper, little sticker up here, I guess to commemorate the actual shoe. Are they individually wrapped? They are not. Okay. We have the Air Jordan 6 Reverse Infrared, aka Salesman. Yeah, in hand, I'm not tripping whatsoever. I don't know what that was on my front of my shoe, but yeah, this is a pair that again I did not need, and I'm gonna show y'all why. But basically, your standard Jordan 6. These probably could have been a part of the reimagined collection. I do get this. The materials are different here. It's not. It doesn't seem like a leather. I've heard people refer to this as leather. It doesn't really feel like a leather. It's just two different shades of suede. That's low-key bars, too. Let's see. On the inside, this is Jordan, not for sale. So I guess that's a commemoration of the Salesman. I believe this was a prototype. But pretty much, basically, this shoe, you're pretty much paying for this right here. You're paying for this, and you're paying for this. But again, I dig this shoe, man. I dig it. I think the extension of this here is a nice little touch on the shoe. And again, it's a great substitute. So let's get right into why I don't need the shoe. Bars again. Because we had the Air Jordan OG black infrared 6s. Still in tip-top shape because I keep these in the box. I guess to commemorate the reverse part of it, I'm thinking I'm going to leave this here on the top and keep this on the bottom. This is what I do to all my 6s, but to keep the theme of the reverse going, we're going to keep it right up there at the top. But basically, yeah, I don't really need these because I got these. But again, paying for the stripe here and this red Nike Air on the back. But I dig them. I think these are a fire shoe. And they sat, which I'm proud of because I like when shoes sit because I'm able to get a pair of them. But this is a pair, really, I do like the 3M on the inside. The OG, still the best. I think this is still the better shoe. But I'm not mad at these, man. But again, if you do a side-by-side comparison, you are pretty much paying for the red stripe and the red Nike Air. And I guess the two-tone suede. But yeah, these stay in the box, a little bit of creasing, but these are still clean, man. And I barely break these out. So, yeah, I guess I have a reason to kind of retire these a bit more because I'll probably most likely be rocking these during the summer. But yeah, still a dope shoe all the way. It doesn't take nothing away from these whatsoever. I still think these are the better pair for the OG. The OG love. So we'll set those off to the side. But again, your basic Jordan 6 infrared black, but the reverse infrared, which I'm not really sure what the reverse of this is. Well, yeah, I guess, yeah, it makes more sense. It's black here and red up here. But this is a cleaner shoe, so if no one did get the actual OG6 and you pick these up, you're not really losing. But one thing I will point out as I'm looking at these kind of look like the off-brand Jordans that ain't retro. With this right here, this here, and yeah, it kind of looks like the off-brand Jordans that they, well, not off-brand, it's still Jordan, but they not retros, but you know what I'm talking about. It kind of has that feel to it. Uh, yeah, it's not really much I can say about them, man. There's no 3M reflective underneath, which I do think was a great touch for these. But overall, is it worth the pick up? Sure. Absolutely, man. I do think this is, again, I think this is a great touch. And like I said, this could be a great addition to the Reimagined series. But I am going to pretty much lock these away. I might rock these before summer though, so I might pull these out maybe April or later on. But the the shoes that I got coming in, well, I'll say shoe for now because I'll probably have to cancel one order and reorder it. But I'll say the shoes that I have coming in are going to pretty much overshadow this one 100%. But I wanted to just get this out here for content purposes, so y'all know what it is. Not too much more. Standard Jordan 6 bottom with the infrared Jordan infrared Nike Air. I still got my infrared 6 hoodie that I copped with these, and I barely wear that, so I'm breaking that out as well. But yeah, I like these shoes, man. I dig them. I think this was a great pickup, and they still have pairs, so I would highly recommend grabbing them because I feel like once they're gone, if you had the means to cop them and you didn't, you're probably gonna regret it. You're probably gonna regret it. I do think this is a very fire shoe. But anyway, y'all know what it is. It's your man's Aaron Tolan. Click like, click subscribe. I appreciate the love, and I will definitely be back on here when my other 2 pairs come through. Holla at your boy. 1.